thinking of going on a cruise.
Well, we're going to give you the ins, the outs, the bad and the ugly.
The tips and the trades.
And what to bring and what not to bring. And what to drink and what not to drink. We're going to show you the cabins. We're going to take you around and show you the restaurants and shopping. Hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, and we're headed out on the Sunshine Cruise. Let's go. Check it out. Okay, and as soon as you walk in this beautiful ship, you're going to see those glass elevators that will take you all the way up to deck 14, where the Serenity deck is. And there's this beautiful bar in the middle.
At the base of the elevator.
That's right whenever you walk in the doors. And this is a good place to meet your friends and family because it's right in the middle of the ship and it's right where you got on.
They also have bands here and solo artists playing throughout the cruise. So you can get you a nice drink, sit around and lounge at the bar right in the center of the ship on, I think it's like deck 3.
And for those of you that are not into all that entertainment, there's a shopping center right above here.
You can come up to the 5th floor and go get anything you'd like.
That's right. They have anything from watches to pocketbooks, or purses, I should say.
Jewelry.
And they have your fragrances. And guess what else they have?
What's that?
A good old candy store. Look at that.
That was the candy store that we just saw.
And look at there. See right there? You could be sitting there drinking you a nice, crisp pineapple martini. That's what I have right here.
Right, so we're going to go from there into the warehouse, which is an arcade.
That's right. So if you're missing those kiddos during this cruise, you want to come in here, this is exactly where they'll be. In this fun zone.
All right, and coming out of the arcade, we'll continue around the circle there in the center. It's still on the 5th floor, and you'll see some additional shops. There's also the Skybox, which is right here, which is a sports bar for those who want to catch the game while the boat is going on.
Or while your wife's shopping, go in there and have a beer.
Now there is right here the funnel gear. You can get everything. So if you forget your sunglasses or a hat or sunscreen.
They have them right here on the ship.
They also sell those lanyards.
Yes, this came in very handy.
Right, but we brought ours from home.
That's right. And ladies, they do have ones with bling, so if you want something a little bit fancier for whenever you go to that captain's dinner, they have those as well.
It comes in handy instead of having to reach in your pocket every time. So right here, port side, that's your liquors and tobaccos, and I was told that they have liquor tasting. We didn't go in this time, but we might do it next time.
Right here is the Liquid Lounge. So the Liquid Lounge has all of your entertainment as far as shows, and this is where they have the greeting whenever you get on the boat, and they kind of tell you what's going to be going on, and just a lot of fun things that you'll want to check out daily.
And right here, while we're filming, they were having a military appreciation for all the branches of service, and so they were singing the songs, and they were having people stand up who were either in the Navy or the Army when their song came around.
Alrighty, and now we're about to take you through the Sunshine Casino. Now, the only part that I didn't like about the boat was running through this because I am allergic to smoke, and they are allowed to smoke in the casino. So as we zip through here to get you to the other side, hope you enjoy the view.
And I think you can get to the other side through like deck 1, somebody said, but we always went through the casino, so we just held our breath and went as fast as we could.
That's right. We don't like to complain too much, but hey.
And this is the entertainment floor anyway.
It is. So we stayed on this floor a lot. Right here, you're looking at the coffee shop where you can get those delicious coffee. I
think it's infused with liquor, isn't it?
You can get it that way. Specialty coffee.
And this line here.
is for bingo, and this is also where you're gonna take the boat to get your port in the morning, you know, to get off on the island on Half Moon Cay.
Right, that's where you get your ticket.
That's right.
So this large area here is where bands will play, or you can do karaoke, and it's over to your left, and if you continue going straight the way we are, is the Frog Bar.
That's
is that
right.
Frog Pub.
Frog Pub. And this is where they're also going to have karaoke sometimes. Just like I said, check the entertainment guide. They'll let you know. This is where we hung out a lot. And unfortunately, we have so much fun during the evening that we always forget to bring the camera out with us. So we're going to show you a few pictures on the Captain's Night, the entertainment that Beatbox and Rooster were able to sing every single night. And we spent a lot of time here.
At the Alchemy Bar?
That's right. We found out, the ladies and I, that our favorite drink here is the crisp apple martini. It is so delicious. You guys need to try it.
Right. And I didn't really care for the Alchemy Bar because they don't serve beer, but they do have a lot of drinks. All right, so this is the Havana Bar. We went from 5 to deck 9, so we're on the Lido
deck.
Lido
That's
deck.
right. This is a fun place to hang out right here, and this is a great bar. They also have their specialty drinks here, and they also favor, their specialty was the, what is that?
The one you got? The Papa Doble. Right when you walk in, you'll see the GG Sushi Bar, and that's right at the beginning of the Havana Bar. But we decided just to go and have a drink. So the specialty drink we got was the Papa Doble, which has grapefruit juice, maraschino liqueur, and fresh lime juice.
All right, so we're going to take you from the back of the ship at the Havana Bar to the Lido deck. Let's move it on. All right, and if you're hungry, the Lido deck is where you're going to find all your buffets and the little extra restaurants. This is where you'll find anything you want. They have spaghetti, chicken,
broccoli,
chicken parmesan, starches, and all kinds of stuff.
I guess this side's not open yet because they got the shutters pulled. All right, but there's your desserts.
And the one thing that I like is the salad bars. The salad bars are delicious in here. This looks like fruits, cheeses, cereal. They're still serving breakfast up until 12 o'clock. Looks like a sweet buffet right here. And here's your beverage stations that you can bring your Stanley cup and get you some coffee, juice, water, and tea. Remember, the tea's not sweet. In that late night station y'all all are going to be looking for, here is your ice cream bar that you'll be wanting. Okay, and here's that famous Guy Burgers right here. I know a lot of you are going to be searching for that, so just follow your nose. And here is the bar with toppings.
And here's a quick look at the taco bar.
So here is the most fun part of the ship. This is where you're going to have your 80s party at night.
And on both sides of this crowd here is the two different bars. You can get the Iguana Bar and the Frog Bar, right?
That's right. And they also have your big swimming pool that you see and 2 hot tubs. We're at Sea Day and we have some entertainment going here, so they're having dance competitions and different things like that going on right now.
Yeah, they call volunteers and you can get up there and act a fool and have a great time. This is also where they play the movie at night for kids, do they not?
That's right, that's it. And then where we spent most of our time is the Serenity Deck. And I absolutely love this pool. You can sit right here all day long and they'll bring drinks to you, and that was my favorite. And so you're wondering what the food was like? Well, here is breakfast. All right, and so for breakfast, I decided to go with the Eggs Benedict, which you know I absolutely love Eggs Benedict, with a side of corned beef hash. And Beatbox, what'd you get?
The same thing. I got Eggs Benedict, but I decided to go with the turkey bacon and these delicious potatoes.
Oh, yeah, yes.
brunch potatoes. And I got the chocolate cake.
That looks good, Beatbox. The perfect way to start your day is either with a mimosa or a peach relief. Now, as promised, let's check out that cabin.
Okay, so this, on the Sunshine, we're on deck 2. And it's somebody's birthday. And we're in 2344, which is actually shared with 2346 inside this little small corridor. So we're going to give you a checkout of our room, 2344.
And this is one with a window view. So.
That is true. And so now this isn't like walk in the first time. We've been here a couple days, but we decided we'd give you a tour in case you ever stayed in 2344.
That's right. And as you can see, some of the ideas in our room, what we have is we always come prepared with our makeup bags that will kind of organize and keep everything tidy.
Right. And like I said, it's Bunny Bee's birthday.
And then you always want to bring your own hooks.
Yes, we have hooks, magnetic hooks.
That was like,
well, that's got a lot of weight on it.
Yeah. But we have hooks. And then I wanted to show y'all one idea that I saw on Facebook, that a man wanted to dry his bathing suits really quick. And so look at this.
If you want to dry your bathing suit quicker,
bam,
you can hang it up by the window when you're gone.
Whenever the sun's out, and let that sun hit it.
And let the sun hit it. Show you the bathroom. Standard sink, mirror. We're kind of rocking because we're trying to actually go around a storm. So this boat's a rocking. Standard bathroom.
Wait, I got something else. And there's one thing you also want to remember. Bring your own Stanley and bring your own Ziploc bags in case you want to bring some goodies home late at night.
Snacks from the buffet.
That's right.
Yeah.
We have so much fun that we always forget to take the cameras with us at night. There's just a lot of hustle and bustle going on, and so we're going to share some pictures with you. Hope you'll enjoy them.
Time for the peanut gallery.
All right, we hope you found this video very helpful.
Make sure you give it a big thumbs up because it helps promote the channel. Make sure you subscribe because it's free. And as always, keep beaching.
Or cruising. See you in the next video. The most important thing is don't forget to start your day off with a... Hold on. The most important thing is don't forget to get you up. Don't wait. Oh, that's good. Right. Right,
if you found this video helpful, how about give it a thumbs up because it helps promote the channel. Make sure, we thought somebody was coming on the elevator. Make sure you subscribe because it's free. Oh, somebody did come on. Come on in the house.
Come on in. Whenever the sun's out, bam. Oh, well. Let's see. Let's do this.
Put it on the very end. Yeah.
But anyway, that ain't gonna work. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Charleston.
Where you at?
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Charleston.
Welcome aboard Carnival Sunshine once again.